For years I have thought a lie to be true, a lie so detrimental that my pain and disappointment is at an immeasurable sum that I cannot express upon what I shall be saying next. 1 does not equal 2. Okay, so as a kid, some of my math teachers would be like, oh yeah, did you know that 1 equals 2? And everyone in the class was like, that's fat cap, alright? And it is cap, but I believed it as a kid. As a kid I was like, wow, 1 can equal 2, and then they'll do the equation on the board, and I'll be like, man, I didn't understand any of that, and I wouldn't even remember it, right? But every so often, I would see it again and again, but I never saw the original video, okay? And the thing is that I never paid attention to the math until I looked at the video itself, and then I realized that's all cap, it's all fake, it's all lies. My life, it has always been a lie. I don't know what to say. Again, I'm in great sadness right now, but it's time to explain to you where the fallacy within this math equation lies. Alrighty, so I'm gonna have the original video in the description, but I ended up doing the math myself just to make it easier. So now it's time to begin. So the equation starts with A equals B, and so to get 1 to equal 2, you can do all types of equations, but they're all fake, they're all lies, and so I'm just gonna tell you how this one is also cap. So A equals B, and then you multiply A on both sides, because what you do to one side, you can do to the other, and then it's all good, it all equals out. So you get A squared equals AB, and then you do subtracting minus B squared on both sides, because again, both sides, it's all good. And then you factor it out, you get A plus B times A minus B equals B factored out from AB minus B squared, so you get B times A minus B, alright? All makes sense. But then, this is where things get BS, alright? You look at this. You cancel out the A minus B on both sides. But the thing is that A equals B. So you know what that means? You're practically doing A minus A, right? And what A minus A is 0, okay? Or B minus B, it's 0. You get 0, and you know what happens? You can't divide by 0. That's just fake. It's all lies. It stops right here. This equation is no longer an equation. They just did fake math. It doesn't exist. But it happened in the video, and what is this? And so anyways, we continue on the equation with this fake math, and we get A plus B equals B, which it's literally cancels out already. But you know what? We got A plus B equals B, and then you can't just get B plus B equals B because A equals B, and then you'd get 2B equals B, and then you just divide B on both sides and you get 2 equals 1, which is a bit of a bro moment, alright? It doesn't exist. It's all cap, it's all lies. My life has been a lie, man. I thought somehow there was some flaw in the structure of mathematics, not just straight up cap, man, alright? I somehow, somehow, there might have been just a weird way that math structure just doesn't really work well, and that order of operations doesn't work in some cases, or just some points where there's a flaw in math, not because it's just cap. But it turns out that the equation was just a lie, math stays true, and math is still not a lie, but this equation here today that we see is a lie. And so with that being said, if you haven't realized, I don't care. This is a joke, just in case somehow people are taking this seriously. I don't know, I don't think anyone is, but it'd be like that sometimes. That's it for the video. If you like, if you want to subscribe, that's also cool. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.